Hi, I'm Cassie, and this is Surprise Let's Play, and today we're going to be opening, I think it's a doll, so let's just get right into it. Okay. Oh, cute. So I have some cards here. It says Aileen doll. Oh, okay. These are all different business cards. So here is one of her business cards. I'm not sure what I bought from her. Here's another one. Look how cute. Maybe I got a little dragon. I don't remember ordering a dragon. Oh, I remember this one. This one's finally here. This is Luna. So Luna is finally here to join us. Got some eyeballs taped on here. Here we have little Luna. This is a little bit smaller than a 1/6 scale, or maybe it is exactly a 1/6. I'm gonna say she's a little smaller. But here's little Luna. She's saying hi. She's got her little face up done. She just needs some eyeballs and some clothes, so I'll be right back. Okay, here is Luna. I got her a wig, some eyes, and some clothes. She's having a little trouble posing because she's really loose. Like, she's super loose. I don't even know if she'll sit. Are you gonna sit? No, she won't sit. So I'll have to push her up against the wall that she's sitting next to. Just try to put these in little bows. I literally just snagged what I had in my little drawer to put on her. And these shoes are cute. She'll probably stand. Yay, she stands. But here's Miss Luna. Oh, see, she's so loose. I'm gonna need to have to do a restraining video of me restraining her. She's so tight. But her head, I mean, she's so loose. But her little head likes to flop down or flop around. But here she is. She's really cute. Her head wants to do whatever it wants to do, so she's cute. She's got on an MSD wig, which is a little bit big, but it's the cutest one for her. Like, honestly, she looks so cute in it. See? Just look at her. So this is Miss Luna, and that wasn't a very long video. I should have done a video of me picking out her clothes, but I don't know, that might have been a little boring. But Luna, she's really cute. She is made by Aileen doll. Aileen. So yeah, this is Luna. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please be subscribed. If you're not on my Instagram, definitely go to my Instagram. It's with the @ surprise let's play, and you can find me on Instagram. I post a lot of dolly content on there, tons of dolly content. So anyways, if you guys want to see more of my videos, definitely hit that like button and click subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.